Just walking distance from the adorable downtown Grafton's shops, coffee shops, schools, churches, and local amenities, this tenderly well-kept home is now available for sale. This large corner lot is filled with opportunity. Let's go take a look, fall in love, and write an offer. If you'd like any additional information, set up a private showing, or just write an offer on this beautiful home, reach out to myself, listing agent Jacob Sheets with eXp Realty and Provision Properties, and we'll make sure you're well taken care of. Info on the screen now or in the description below. Thank you.